In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Hikvision DVR to your mobile phone so that you can access your security camera on your phone no matter wherever you are in the world. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we will do is to connect our router here to our DVR right here using an Ethernet cable, this cable right here. So how do we do this connection? I'll take one head to the router and then connect to this port, press it inside, you can see. So then I will take the other head, you can see, and then connect to the DVR. I will connect right here to the DVR port. You can see it's connected. Now when we are done establishing a connection between the router and the DVR, we'll come to our monitor screen and then tap on it, put our password to log into our system. If we log in, you can see right here configuration, we'll tap on it. On configuration, you can see here network at the left here, tap on it. And on this general option, leave it on this TCP IP. So come here, down here, and enable this auto obtain DNS. Turn this on. Also make sure you check the whole thing and it should be exactly the way this whole setup is. So come here and tap on this apply. If you tap on this apply, then come on this platform access, tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see right here Hik-connect is disabled, so toggle this on. You will get this. So come here and tap on this check icon to agree to the terms. So come here and tap on this OK. You can see that right now I'm offline. You can see, right? So enable all these settings right here, tap on this apply, and it's connecting. So at this time it has brought a QR code. You can see right now I'm online. So at this point right now, I'll go to my phone and then log in my Hik-connect. Then I will show you. Let's go to my phone right now. Right now on my phone, I'll come here and look for Hik-connect app. You can see right here is the app Hik-connect. You can find the app on Play Store or App Stores. I will tap and open the app. I will tap on this login or register. So right now I'll come here and put my password to log in. But if you don't have an account with them, you can tap on this register and register. So I'll come here and put my password. If I put my password, I'll come here and tap on this check button or icon. So I'll come here and tap on this login. So I'll be logging on the app. You will see right here add device. I'll come here and tap on this add device, and you see here scan QR code. I'll tap on it. So it will process and bring me into my monitor screen. So I'll now take the camera and then scan. It has started scanning, and you can see adding completed. So I'll tap on this next. You can see right here, all here are the 4 cameras. I can tap on this skip right here. Then I will tap on this authorize now. It's loading. So I'm done. So right now I can just go back right here. You can see the cameras all here are showing network error right now. Let me tap on this camera 1. It's still loading. So I have bad network from my router. You can see right now it's showing live. You can see there's my compound. The whole thing is live. I can access my live camera on my phone. I can as well go outside right now and you will see me on my phone live. For instance, let me go outside so that you can see me live outside. You can see that I'm outside right now. You can see I'm holding my phone and I'm live on my phone here. I'm seeing the whole footage. Look, I'm here on my phone, you can see, right? So I can access my live camera no matter wherever I am in the world. So far, there's a connection enabled on my DVR, you can see, right? So guys, it's very simple, and that's how you can actually connect or access your live camera on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching, and bye.